My biggest advice would be to stay focused and do not give up because there were so many times I could have just got tired with trading and gave up. You know, I've had my biggest losses. Even yesterday was my biggest loss ever so far because of Dogcoin, but I'm still very, very enthusiastic. You just can't lose that drive and that spark. And you also have to have a vision. Just take some time to figure out that vision because then you'll be more confident. When I was younger, I didn't really know what I wanted. I kept trying to switch my major and eventually I dropped out of college. And um, I feel like sometimes I do regret that. But at the same time, I don't because I found myself since I've left and I've learned more. And now I'm an investor. I can call myself an entrepreneur. I'm independent now. I don't have to rely on my parents. And that's something I wasn't sure I was going to say 5 years ago.